everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. I hope everyone is enjoying this little bit of a cool down. You can tell by looking at our skies that it's football season here in Indiana, and everybody's so excited to get to the stadiums and check out our teams for the year. This one is going to be the Keeler. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and if you guys remember back in the beginning of the year, this was one of our show homes at the Louisville show. So it's the cream of the crop. This particular model is customer made and created, and they kept it very simple, and I'm really glad to show this version of it because you guys don't have to go all luxurious. I'm just about willing to bet that this is a do-it-yourselfer, a DIYer, who is going to be doing a lot of things themselves. So if you notice on the outside, we've got flint on the vinyl, but the windows are missing some shutters. That's fine. A lot of times I've ran into people who want to do their own type of barn style shutters or a different kind of design on the outside, and they'll do that when the home gets to their property. So this is the front of the home. We call this home the Keeler. And this is the well, there is a bathroom on this side, but this is the front of the home coming into the living area. Standard carpet, warmest gray. Thunder on the floor. And it's funny because I'm standing on a piece of scrap carpet that is the upgraded dune color. And here's the standard warmest gray. So you can see the difference between the two. And then the linoleum is thunder. All these colors kind of mesh well. We see a lot of Bohemian style grays and browns when we're looking at carpets and flooring. Behind the door, we're going to see a coat closet. And I tell you, yesterday I got a phone call from one of the viewers, and it was just great. You guys are awesome. I got to tell you that. When you call me, when I get to meet you, it just warms my heart, just so you know. I know, I'm sappy. I'm the Mobile Home Mama, and I am a mama of one girl and some boys, and I get kind of sappy. Anyways, we're here in the primary bedroom. This is the primary closet. We've got 3-sided racks up here. You could double those up if you like. Let me just flip around slowly so you get another view of the primary bedroom. Let's talk about this. On the other side of this plastic will be the primary bath. I'm going to take you there next after we see bedroom 2 and 3. And those will be on the other side of that wall. On the other side of this plastic is a wide open kitchen area with a family room over here. So let's go over and see if we can find the other side. Okay, while we're out here, let's just take a shot of the lot. As usual, we are stacked full of homes out here. These are all going to their buyers. So we build to order here at Champion Homes. If you would like to design your house, we can have it for you before the snow hits. Here's the back side of this home. Now, we're going to jump into bedroom number 2. Nice size secondary bedroom. Right beside it is going to be bedroom number 3. I would say these are the same size, bedroom 2 and 3. Let's go down and find the primary bath. Here's the primary bath that would be right across from the primary bedroom. If you guys have been tuning in to me long enough, you know that I've got a very special friend here. She's also the project coordinator. Her name is Brittany. I've been missing her today. She basically is responsible for making sure your home gets where it's supposed to, making sure all the funds come in, and she coordinates all of the responsibilities of all the parties involved. She is an amazing person. I really wish I could run into her today. Let's go into the main part of the house, the kitchen. Oh, hi, Brittany. There you are.
Hi.
I'm so happy to see you. What you got for me?
Well, so we're in the Keeler. I am on the other half, the wet half, I suppose you would call it. I just wanted to show you guys this side of the house. So right now we're standing in the living room. Obviously you can tell that they did the upgrade to the drywall to the home.
I think that's a very important thing. If you add anything and just add the drywall, I mean, you're in business for doing whatever else you want to do.
Definitely takes the home up a notch. They also added in a dishwasher.
And what an island, huh? That's the largest island we make.
I mean, it's huge.
And it's a standard feature of this home.
We've got all electrical appliances here, just counter space galore, and cabinets for days for everything that you need. What I thought was unique about this home is that the refrigerator is actually over here.
In its own little room.
It's got its own little nook, and then more counter space and cabinets. So, I mean, this is a cooker's dream to have all of these cabinets and pantries for food and so on.
What's on the other side behind you?
So on this side we have the laundry room, which obviously this is plenty of space for a washer and dryer. All your hookups are here that you would need. We've got your furnace over here, which they didn't upgrade the furnace. I thought we upgraded the water heater for them, but the furnace is all electric also.
We are going to recommend that you guys put a furnace door on if you have the chance and the opportunity. It just changes things. Plus, if you have any pets or small children, you don't want them crawling back there. But like I said, I believe, and Brittany will probably agree with me, that this person is a do-it-yourselfer. They just wanted the basic things. And Brittany will tell you right now exactly what options we have in here. It's not a whole lot, but it's the ones we need.
Now, I know that they definitely opted for the crescent edging on the countertops, which just really make it look so much nicer.
That's the rounding of the countertops right here.
Right, and we went with the dishwasher. We also added the 2x6 walls with the R19.
Great, best insulation you can get.
We did the drywall, and then we upgraded to a 40-gallon water heater instead of the standard 30-gallon.
Great. So you can see that this is a very basic home with just the options you need to make it energy efficient. And also, you know, I'm sure they did the crescent edging because this is something you can't just go out and match. So I would be excited to see what kind of creativity this customer is going to use on this house. And we're so happy to be able to provide the bones of a good design and a good floor plan. So my name is Christina. I am a professional housing consultant at Champion Homes. If you give me a call, you'll come meet with me, even stay the night in a very nice hotel if you need to, if you're driving for too far away. Hey, everybody. And we will sit down. Brittany will be here too. It's been rumored to have some tacos in the mix also. But we will help you design your dream. We aren't here to push anything on you. We just want to help make your dreams come true. So you can reach me 260-383-1009. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.